One of the hot couples of B-Town currently is Siddharth Malhotra and Kiara Advani. While the two lovebirds have not officially said anything about their relationship, but it is quite evident that they are dating. Recently, the rumors turned into fact when Kiara Advani and Siddharth were spotted at the airport together, leaving the country. The couple went to Maldives together for vacation and rang the new year together. And recently, another shocking news has come out in public about this couple. Well, it seems like Bollywood might see another grand lavish wedding this year too, after Varun and Natasha's. Yes, we are talking about Siddharth and Kiara Advani's wedding because the couple has taken a huge step recently. What has this amazing couple done recently that the conjectures of their wedding are doing rounds? Recently, the media of Mumbai has spotted these two lovebirds during one of their lunch dates. While media thought it was just one of their casual dates, but there was something special about this date of them. Well, Siddharth actually took Kiara to meet with his parents. Yes, Siddharth's parents, who had flown from New Delhi, met with their son and his girlfriend too. Four of them were spotted at a popular restaurant of Mumbai where they had their lunch. Kiara seemed very friendly with Siddharth Malhotra's parents. The actress seemed to have a very cordial relationship with her boyfriend's parents. It seems like the couple has started to take their relationship further. And as per reports, they will be soon tying their nuptial knots in a lavish wedding. How much are you excited to see this couple getting married? Let us know in the comment section and subscribe our channel for more updates.